Hello. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today I have this really pretty blonde wig unit sent from Megalook hair. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. So I'm just going to do an unboxing really quickly with you guys. It comes with a wig cap and baby hair wrap, an edge brush, and some eyelashes. And then I'm just going to quickly show you guys the inside of the wig cap construction. It basically comes with one comb at the back of the frontal and then another one at the nape, and then I'm just going to take the additional adjustable strap out. I don't normally wear my additional adjustable straps in my hair videos, you guys, so yeah, it just pulls at my lace frontal, so I just don't like to wear them. And then I'm just showing you guys that this wig unit does come pre-curled or pre-styled. And if you guys want to know more additional specs on this wig, this is a 13x4 lace frontal. It's being marketed as a chocolate dip marshmallow vibe body wave wig in 26 inches. So I did do a little bit of prepping. I did pluck this wig unit because I'm actually doing no baby hairs today, and then I also did the plucking. So I didn't go crazy with it because, again, I was doing no baby hairs, so I needed to look not too dense, but a little dense. But I do want to talk to you guys about the color of this wig unit. I actually didn't do any color alterings to this wig, so pretty much the color that you see in this video is the color that this wig actually is. To me, this wig is a ash blonde and it has ash brown roots. So I know it says like chocolate dipped. It doesn't really come off as chocolate to me. It's not that bold of a color. It looks like it's like a muted brown. And in some of the areas of this wig unit, it does come off as like a shadow effect, like at the middle of my forehead here. It comes off as a shadow root. But once you part the wig unit, it does come down darker along the shaft of the hair. So I just wanted to make sure that you guys saw that. Also, further along in this video, I do part this wig so that you guys could see the color blend of this wig unit as well, because I thought that it was really important of the color placement. So make sure you guys just watch down the line of this hair video so you could see like the color placement of this wig. But when it came to the no baby hairs look, because I don't think that I have done a no baby hairs look before with my blondes, I just feel like you just have to be a little bit more precise and careful with your wig application. That was the only difference. Also, I really did like the ash brown roots, because you can't really clock your foundation like at all. Like, it doesn't pick up on the foundation. Had it been like a all ash blonde wig, it would have definitely picked up on my foundation, but it didn't on this wig unit, so it didn't come out to look really messy at the hairline. So I'm using this Even Melting Spray. I cannot stand the smell of this spray at all, and I can't wait to get my hands on the unscented, because I hate the raspberry scent. I hate it. I just hate it. It doesn't smell good to me. It smells like syrup. And I'm sorry, I just had to have me a moment. And also, it lingers as well. Like, you can smell it on your hair, and I hate the smell of it, you guys. But it does the job. It does the job. I just don't like the smell. So I'm just literally pressing it into my lace, and it did a really good job with like melting it into my skin, as you guys could see. And I'm just gonna pretty much put a baby hair wrap so that it can like dry, and then I'll eventually like go into like pulling out the curls. But this was a really easy install, you guys. Like, my wig application was actually really good and it wasn't messy. I actually still have this wig on right now. And I also could say it's not really a very full wig unit, as well as when I say that, I mean like the density. The density is not really that full. So, and let me know what you guys think of this wig unit. How did I do with the no baby hairs look? I would love to know. And until then, I'll see you guys in my next video.